rev up your engines! It's time for the Scotty Kilmer Channel. Are you tired of wiper blades that make all kinds of noise and leave streaks all over your windshield when you use them? Well, then today's your lucky day, because I'm going to show you how you can maintain your wiper blades and even how you can get fancy wiper blades that last much longer than the regular rubber ones. Now, of course, most people don't think much about their wiper blades. They use them when it rains, and they don't even clean them. They let all the dirt and grit get on them and ruin them. Imagine if you were a wiper blade, sitting out in the hot sun, ultraviolet rays ruining the rubber, dirt getting on them and eating them up. They need a little bit of cleaning every once in a while. And here's how easy it is to clean. Get some denatured alcohol, nice little clean towels like these. I like the blue shop towels because they last a long time. Then have the ignition key turned on, turn the wipers on, and then turn the key off so the wipers are sitting up in the air where you can access them easily. Then you get some of this denatured alcohol and sprinkle it all over the cloth, and then wipe it up and down on the wiper blade. Look at all the crud that's coming off. Do it 3 or 4 times. Then when you wipe and hardly any black comes off, you know it's clean. And do the other side. And of course, get some good windshield cleaner every once in a while. Pick the blades up and clean the windshield, especially the part where it sits, because all the crud will collect here, and if you let all the grit stay there, it'll eat the blades up. And now look what happens when you turn them on. No more of that horrible noise and streaking. And of course, you can get denatured alcohol anywhere. I just got it at a hardware store. It really is great for cleaning all kinds of stuff. And if you really want your wiper blades to last a long time, you might try some of these silicone-based wiper blades. I put a set on my old Toyota 6 years ago, and they're still wiping clean. I have to say, it's the first time I've ever seen advertising that lied in the wrong direction. This says they last 2 times longer. Heck, these things on mine have lasted about 10 times longer so far. The silicone rubber combination is just stronger and more flexible. It goes a long time before it tears and rips. Now, you still want to clean it with the alcohol every once in a while, but if you do take care of these silicone wiper blades, they're going to last a long time. So you might very well ask, why doesn't everybody sell silicone wiper blades? Well, I went to an auto parts store the other day and asked them about silicone blades. And the store manager just said, hey Scotty, we sell thousands of wiper blades every month in this store. If we sold these silicone ones, we would sell so much less, we'd make less profit. So don't expect to be seeing them in an auto parts store very soon. I got mine online from Amazon. They work great. Sure, you pay more for them, but the hassle of not having to change them and having them on for years is fine by me. Because if I can make something in our disposable society less disposable, I'm all for it. And remember, if you have any car questions, just visit the Scotty Kilmer channel. And I'll answer them as soon as I'm done recycling myself.